Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with this beautiful Shirogorov Sinkevich design Pero for a quick review. Great knife, guys. Overall length of this guy is going to be 8.5 inches with a 4.75 inch long handle and 3.75 inch long blade. Pure beauty, just spectacular knife, guys. It's getting close to perfection, and we're gonna see why in the full-length review, but just an overview. Carbon fiber sculpted scale, titanium liner over here, M390 steel, one of the most beautiful and inconspicuous flipper tab on the market over here. 3D milled titanium backspacer, custom pivot going on, of course proprietary hardware. 3D milled pocket clip, beautifully done. It's hiding these screws underneath. Sound, Shirogorov sound, check. Oh, fantastic. Ergonomics, absolutely great. Zero hotspot created. It's a masterpiece, guys. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.